Hello again, everybody. It's Scott Hudgins with Dodd RV, located in Yorktown, Virginia. Family owned and operated since 1956. Today, we're looking at a brand new 2021 Forest River Wolf Pup 16FQ in the Black Label Edition. Alright, first let's start by going over all the options on that black label. Alright, the Black Label Edition. So what we're looking at, other than that smooth fiberglass, automotive frameless windows, less maintenance. You've got magnetic latches, so hands-free compartment doors. Moving inside, we already looked at the step above steps, but you're looking at the battery disconnect, which is part of that juice pack, but also the black label, which gives you the voltage meter. You also get the residential pull-out faucet, and then stainless steel large sink. Also get the upgraded designer fabric, the real wood cabinet doors. You're also looking at the thermo-foil artic insulation, so upgraded insulation there. The solid surface countertops. And basically that's the whole package for the Black Label Edition. Alright guys, if you have not yet already, please give me a quick thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button. Hit that bell. That notification will give you a heads up when new campers go on, new colors, floor plans, options. So be the first one to see them as they come on. So hit that bell and notification. Thanks again for watching. Scott Hudgins, Dodd RV. Alright, so starting inside. Rear bathroom. Booth dinette. I'll show you a setup and breakdown of the dinette. Alright, for your booth dinette, 2 poles on the pedestal. You can store those under the bed, under the dinette. There are little Velcro tabs. Hold that table in place. And also being the best way to travel is with the table in the down position. There's your mattress. 29 by 71 bed, so you'd sleep with one person basically in this one. And then for setting it back up, two pedestals again. And you're all set up, ready to eat. Storage over top. Convenience area, control your awning, your lights. Check your levels of your holding tanks. Your stereo, you can Bluetooth to that. USB, very easy setup there. Inside and outside speakers. Inside, having the LED lights as well. Murphy bed, again I'll show you a setup of that. During the day you've got the sofa, and then I'll fold it out for you, show you how easy that is. Alright, on the Murphy bed, basic jackknife sofa flips down. You got room on the side. Queen bed all the way down. Comes with pillows and comforter, but again, very comfortable, easy setup. 60 by 73 on the mattress. Fold it back up, out of your way. And again, you do have storage underneath the jackknife sofa. And then you can put your little armrests on either side. And you're all good to go. Storage all the way around. Voltage meter, so that is a part of the juice pack. So with the solar panel, battery disconnect, there's a battery up outside and the solar panel's on the roof. Storage up top. Adjustable faucet. Solid stainless steel sink with the cover. LED lights. Smaller 2-burner range. Good storage. Spot for a trash can. The 10 cubic foot electric refrigerator. So super large, 12 volt, biggest size for a small travel trailer that you find. TV hookup, connections up top, and then your bathroom across the back. So nice large countertop area. Again, good storage. Nice little modified tub shower. Tub surround. Exhaust fan. And then back into the living room. Brand new 2021 Forest River Wolf Pup in the black label 16FQ. Now we'll head outside and take a look. All right, moving to the outside, you see the Wolf Pup black label logo, power tongue jack, 7-pin holder right here on the front, battery. It does already come with the battery when you do the juice pack, so that solar comes with that battery. 16FQ black label has a dry weight of 3,566 pounds. Frameless windows, all 4 corner stabilizer jacks. I do have a video I'll post below of manual jack operation. We did do the off-road package, so larger off-road tires. Low point drain, your sewer hookup, exhaust for your range hood, hot and cold outside shower, your water hookup. You are looking at a 30 amp service. Again, your sewer connection, your black and gray valves, convenience light. On the back, we've got the storage rack, hold your spare tire. This rack, pull the 1 pin out, drop that down. And now you've got a rack for bikes, for gear, coolers, anything like that right there. Don't have to mess with the spare tire. We did order this one with the backup camera already on it, so it does come equipped. You do have the electric refrigerator outside. You do have the leash latch right beside that pup kitchen, so hook your pets up there. Other stabilizer jacks, your hookup for TV and receptacle, your outside speakers. TV slides right into the mount here on the sidewall. Full length power awning, LED lights. Your black label logo does light up, LED lights. Your step above entry steps. Fold right up into the camper, nice and clean. Other side of your storage. Magnetic latches. Again, another light. Friction hinge on those doors, stays exactly where you want them to stay. 2021 Forest River Black Label Wolf Pup. 16FQ.